How to add a profile picture on the AliExpress app. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add a profile picture on the AliExpress app. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up AliExpress and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you just want to head over to the account section at the bottom right corner of your screen. And you can tap on the profile name at the top left. Once you do that, you'll have an option to edit your profile settings. So you can just tap on edit and it will show you your nickname, your account information, and other stuff. So just tap on the photo option and then allow access to your media. Then you can select any image you want from here. So let's just select this random image and then tap on done. You're going to have to crop out what part of the image you want to show. So I'm just going to put the moon at the center. Tap on done. And then your new profile photo should be uploaded to AliExpress. So just refresh one more time and you should be able to see your profile picture. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.